Don't know anything, don't know anything. I can't understand, I cannot. I don't even know how much I really studied. I forgot, it's a lot. Last test, never mind what I got. Neil, don't mind that, cause I woke up, that's all me. Studied hard, that's all me. No help, that's all me. All me for real. Woke up, that's all me. Studied hard, that's all me. No help, that's all me. All me for real.
SN2, that's too easy. 4 things real crazy. None of these terms, it ain't a thing. Doing these mechs, it ain't a pain. Oh, primary carbocat. Next, it's backside attack. She said, what about LG? I said, more electronegativity. Okay, put it on the board. Watch me push these arrows. Walked in, polar aprotic, polar aprotic.
Now SN1 will break it down. Got mechs in my condo. Just part a kid that cost a Mercedes-Benz car. No, we dissociate. Let the LG go off. And this test so hard it make the metal detector go off.
This that solvent, polar product, nucleophile, go attack. Depronation, it's so simple. Even Garg's got my action. Go, yeah. Even Tony gets it too. Way too much on my mental. I learned from what I've been through. I'm finna do some E1, so done with studying, I know y'all too. Not complicated, it's simple. Got toxic acid, a whole beaker full. And I add some heat and benzene. Best substrate is alcohol, but I still take my time, man. I guess I'm just old-fashioned. Doing retro synth, that's old-fashioned.
See what I'm making? Alkene formation. I draw pics, model kit. Good OG, you need it. Keep a box on the floor. Then exam, I had it sore. Need a fix to do the synth. First panic, then relax. Just remember you passed the class. My new reactions E2 and shit. Even if you don't get it, we're explaining it. I swear to God, I got 99 columns. Retro synth ain't one. I got 99 columns. Getting A's ain't one.
Got this primary carbocat. Started the arrows I can push out. It's the type to have a one-step mech, and it'll still trip you up. And it's anti-periplanar. Draw a chair if it ain't clear. This one thing parting ain't worth it. Midnight, and I'm still working.
CRM Production.
Maybach music.